everyone, Johnny from Alchemy Audio here. This is one of my newer builds, fresh off the bench. This is a reverb pedal that we built. Cool Alchemy Audio badge riveted on the side, true bypass switching, LED, 9-volt power, large knobs on the side. One controls the amount of reverb, the other controls kind of the decay. You heard a nice shorter slapback for rockabilly playing, but this thing is capable of much more, so let's hear it. So there you go. It covers a wide range of reverb sounds, from the shorter slapback kind of rockabilly stuff to the big ambient wash and everything in between. Very versatile reverb pedal. This one is for sale. I'll also be making more custom ordered in the future. Get in touch if you're interested. Thanks.